Intel and AMD might be sweating. Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite is here, and it's a monster, matching Apple's M2 Max with 30% less power and crushing Intel's i9 at 70% less juice. This could flip the CPU game. Ready to be blown away? Let's dive in. Hey tech fam, the Snapdragon X Elite is trending hard. Launched late 2024, it's got US techies buzzing and Intel and AMD on edge. Today, we're unpacking why this ARM-powered beast might just rewrite the rules for laptops and beyond. Let's roll the Snapdragon scoop. So what's the hype? Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite 12 Orion cores, Adreno GPU drop jaws at CES 2025, X-Posts claim it rivals Apple's M2 Max in raw power. Think 8K edits and heavy multitasking while sipping 30% less energy. Against Intel's Core i9 13980XX, it's neck and neck but uses 70% less power. Insane efficiency. The GPU 80% faster and 80% more efficient than AMD's Radeon 780M gaming laptops. Watch out. TechRadar says it's in Copilot Plus PCs now. $600, $1,200 range, crushing battery life norms at 20 plus hours. ARM architecture's the secret sauce. Apple proved it with M series and Qualcomm's doubling down. Intel's Lunar Lake and AMD's Strix Point are tough, but Snapdragon's X2 rumors, 18 cores, desktop ready, could shake 2026. Intel and AMD's trouble? Why the panic? Snapdragon's not just fast, it's efficient, affordable, and ARM's rising. Intel and AMD rule x86, but compatibility hiccups like some apps lagging on Windows ARM held Snapdragon back. That's fading fast. Microsoft's fixing it, and X-users say Intel's throttling can't compete. Samsung's laptops might ditch AMD for Snapdragon by 2026. Cat gaming's still x86's turf. Snapdragon's GPU needs driver love, but if Qualcomm nails it, Intel and AMD's premium dominance could crack. Team Snapdragon or sticking with Intel/AMD? Drop your take in the comments.